Old Otis Birdcage Elevator, one of the oldest in the state. I'm gonna take this thing on a ride. All right, shut the door.
Okay, go. Just go right here. Okay.
Okay. There's the machine. Send it up to 6.
Oh wow, it's winding jump. All right, here we go.
This is a beautiful old Otis elevator. Wow, look at that sign. That is beautiful. All right, press B again,
Yep.
then we'll go to 1. That's the retiring kid. Tell me when you're ready. I'll let you get the motor. This will be the last ride.
Go.
All right, here we go. This thing is a beauty. Now we'll take some pictures. That is a beautiful elevator. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.